If you're writing JAMB for the first time this year, I want you to repeat after me. This will be my last JAMB. Also, if you have written JAMB before, but you didn't do very well, I want you to repeat after me. This will be my last ever JAMB. Now, what is your plan to ensure that this will be your last JAMB? Are you going to repeat the same method that you used last year that didn't work? What are you doing differently that will separate you from the others? You know, there are millions of JAMB students writing JAMB every year. You have to separate yourself out. That's how you stand out. You have to do something differently that will separate you from the crowd if you want to score very high in JAMB this year. The person speaking to you now is popularly known as the JAMB Master. And they call me the JAMB Master because anybody that learns under me does not write JAMB again. I am an authority in anything concerning JAMB because I've also failed myself. I wrote JAMB 4 times before gaining admission into the university. I also wrote WAEC 4 times before gaining admission into the university. I was the first head boy, senior prefect, to fail WAEC in the history of my secondary school. I'm not proud of that. What I'm trying to let you know is that I've passed through the whole cycle of JAMB failure. So when you see them call me the JAMB Master, it's because I have mastered JAMB. One good thing about my JAMB class is that if I coach you for JAMB, you'll get the exact course you applied for. They will not change your course because your score will be too good to ignore. If you're watching this video, then you are very, very lucky because this will be your last JAMB if you follow my instructions step by step. Remember, they call me the JAMB Master. Now to the key part. How can you join my class? Now, I do not take everybody because we have a reputation to protect. I do not teach all students. I do not teach all students. Please take note. I carefully select my students. I don't teach all students. If I've been picking all students, we won't have the results we have today. So how does our class work? Now, because there are so many students all over Nigeria, different states, it's impossible for us to have a physical class and gather everybody in one physical space. Some of you are in Lagos, some of you are in Port Harcourt, some of you are in Abuja, some of you are in Oyo State, Ondo State, Kwara, Kogi State. I teach students from different states every year. And I cannot be in all states at the same time. So my class holds online. That's why you see here the JAMB Master online class. Yes, the JAMB Master online class. Like I said earlier, I do not pick all students. I'm not desperate for students. Please take note. I'm desperate for results. Now, if you're the type of student that believes that everything should be given to you free of charge, please, it's time to scroll up. I don't deal with all students. It's time to scroll up. I only need serious students. There's no greatness without sacrifice. There's no greatness without paying a price. Nothing good comes for free. Please take notes. Now that they have scrolled up, let us now deal with the serious students. If you're really serious about smashing your JAMB, you're going to send me some details before I consider your application into my class because we have a reputation to protect. We don't just take any kind of student. We need people that have high achiever mindset. You're going to send me a message, which is your name, the course you're applying for. Also, if this is your first JAMB, I want to know. I'm very delicate with my students. I'm very, very delicate with my students. If this is your first JAMB, I want to know. If you've written JAMB before, I want to know your last JAMB score. Also, whether it is your first time or you've written JAMB before, I want to know what is your target score for this year so that it will be evident. So that when your result come out, you can say, Shay, you said this is what you want to score. You can have it. Are we together? So I don't want any kind of student, please. I only want high achiever mindset students. I said your name. Now, what state are you messaging us from? Let us know your name, the state you're messaging us from, the course you're applying for. Because as I told you earlier, my students, they don't change my students' course. It's our record. They don't change my students' course. The course you're applying for. If it's your first time, say first time JAMB. If it's not your first time, let me know the score you scored last year. And then lastly, everybody, your target score. What do you want to score? Tell me so that we can work towards it. I'm going to hold your hand and take you to the course you're applying for this year and make this year your last JAMB. So this is the number to message. Please do not say hi. Don't just say hi when you message me, please. I have so many students that are messaging me from different parts of the country. So when you message me, please go straight to the point and follow the instruction I just gave you. Your name, what state are you messaging me from? What course are you applying for this year? Is this your first JAMB? If yes, let us know. If it's not your first JAMB, let us know the score you scored last year, your last JAMB score, so I can know where you are now and where to take it to. I'm going to train and coach you in your biology, your physics, your mathematics, your chemistry, your use of English, and make sure that this year becomes your last JAMB. So message this number, only serious students that don't just think that everything should be given to them free because you're going to pay. But the good thing is that my class is not expensive at all. My class is not expensive at all. Now, the unserious students, what they'll be doing now is on the comment, they'll be saying how much, or they'll be saying all manner of things. Please leave those people alone. And if you know you want to smash your JAMB, you are the one I'm talking to. I'm not talking to everybody, I'm talking to you. You will message this number immediately and you're going for a professional course. You're going for a big course that you know you need to score very high. If you're going for there's kind of courses you're going for that you know you need to score very, very high. You will not mix with the crowd. You will do something differently. Separate yourself from the crowd. My class is very, very cheap, but I want to see your seriousness. You're going to message this number now with your name. What state are you applying for? What state are you messaging us from? The course you're applying for. What was your score last year? If you didn't write JAMB last year, it's your first time, say it's your first time. And what's your target score? And I will hold your hand and take you from where you are now to where you need to be. And I will end with this. My students, they don't change my students' course. Whatever course you apply for is what you get. Your journey to JAMB success begins now. See you in class.